Rafa's company, Authentic Argentina, specializes in showing visitors a more authentic side of Argentina. FuFu Argentina is Rafa's joking reference for the more developed parts of Patagonia, like San Carlos de Bariloche. Just a few kilometers but a world away from the main town of Bariloche is the luxurious boutique hotel and spa, Aldebarán. And yeah, it's FuFu, but it's also mad cool.
This is the typical boutique hotel of northern Patagonia. Very stylish, very handicraft. You can tell that it's rustic, but with nice style. Even the wine tastes different in a boutique hotel. You know, you feel that you belong to the hotel in 24 hours. And when they already know your name when you get here. It's not like, excuse me, Mr. What's your name? No, it's like they know your name. They treat you like a real, friend of the house. And that's actually Patagonia. That's what Patagonia is.
The wine and food here are predictably delicious. The hotel's luxurious but rustic atmosphere is cozy. But the location on the banks of Lake Nahuel Huapi is epic. Even on the rainy and windy day when we visited, Rafa reminded me of the importance of the lakes to the ecosystem.
The water here is melting from the Andes, underneath the plateau, underneath the surface.
With such a pristine ecosystem, perhaps it's no surprise that produce and livestock in the fabled farmlands of Patagonia are still very natural.
Everything, the fruits, the meat, the organic, it's not because we make it organic, it is organic itself. The lamb here in Patagonia, the cows even, the guanacos, and that's Patagonia.
And hospitality. It's one reason why so many immigrants have moved here.
And Patagonia is a very charming, welcoming region. It's like 1/3 of Argentina. This is a welcoming country. And this is a welcoming region. So it's an immigrant country. Of course, all this melting pot, we Argentinians somehow mix it up, but it's just a welcoming, because the nature welcomes.
Patagonia is authentic, real, and raw, just like my pal Rafa of Authentic Argentina.